Well, we just got done with that field to their farm. Now we're at one of our other leased grounds here. It's down the road about half a mile, so got the bean head just hooked up here. Got a hookup down below at the chain hookups here, and it gets all the hydraulic lines hooked up and the electrical hooked up, and then we should be ready to roll in this field. The beans were around 11 to 12% moisture, so that's dry enough to keep going. Got an empty gravity box here. That one up there is about a little over half full, and yeah, so that's what all we got going right now. There's Dad in the 7230, and then just gotta hook up there with those chains here, and then right there too, along with all these hydraulic lines here. Well, Dad just dropped me off. Gotta take this guy 6190 and this gravity box over to that field, so we got this there. You can top it off. Might be a little over half full, but the sample looks pretty clean, so over here. Combine ain't working. He just killed it, so I don't know. Maybe got a rock in there or something, or well, I don't know. He almost made one lap around the field, but this ain't looking too good. Oh, got it started. There he goes. He just plugged it up. Well, I just plugged it up. You hit a water spot up here somewhere, and kind of maybe see right in there. Hit a water spot and plugged her up, but otherwise didn't wreck nothing, so we're good. Just getting out, checking. I have some greener pods on there. That's alright though. Nothing too much on the ground. I see one there. Oh, there's 2, 3. But again, that could be from the head too. You never know where this all comes from. So looking like it's doing a pretty good job. We're still having some beans come out the back, I think. But again, you can't get perfect, I don't think, with this machine. Maybe you can. Maybe we're not doing something that other people know that we should be doing. Like I said, we have this combine matched to our neighbor, and I mean, if he likes it, then whatever. But you know, we don't know what their samples are looking like either. But we got a cleaner sample, and it yielded pretty well. So I mean, I can't imagine we lost too much. And this is flatter ground right here, but we got rolling hills here again, so we're gonna probably see some more loss, but we'll see. Boy, a couple areas where it's just kind of, I don't know. We'll see. Well, I'm in the combine seat now, and yeah, so that's that. Yeah, much to say, pop. It is hard to take a video and mess with the combine at the same time. Now we're off a row somehow. Dad I forgot to move the header over just one row when I started this, because Dad did it. A couple of those, but anywho, the beans were around 10 to 11% over there in this front little field here to my right. But this field that we're doing right now, this whole field is a little more wet but we're gonna see what the sample's out now because it's been a while since we did this part, about an hour or so, and see what the moisture looks like right now. So we'll go down. When I get down there, I'll get out, take a couple samples with the moisture tester, and see what it's saying. So if it's reading a good moisture percent, we'll keep going. If not, we'll take a break, or if not, just call it a day. Taking a moisture test right now with our Case International moisture tester. Test. Wait a few seconds. Two tests I took already have been 12.8 and 12.5%. So this is 12.9. That's borderline. So Dad's coming down right now. I just got back from the house, and I'll see what he has to say about that. But can you read that? 12.9. That's backwards, but whatever. So we'll see what happens, but I don't know. That's borderline. Jessica. She wanted to be a part of the YouTube video, so I guess here she is. Her real name's Jessica, we call her Jessie.
My real name's Jessie.
No, it's Jessica. Dad's getting us dinner right now, so we're just out here taking out some soybeans. Right, Jessie?
Right.
Other than that, I don't know what to tell you. She just wanted to be on the YouTube video, so here we are. What are you doing? Another one? Why do you want another one?
I did my hair today.
So I guess the yield, or the moisture got a little drier today. So we're taking on this whole field, as you can see. And yeah, so our sample is getting kind of dirty, but made some adjustments. Hopefully that works. Anything else you have to say, Jessie?
We got Domino's coming for dinner.
Domino's for dinner.
And I'm painting my nails.
And she's painting her nails. Alright, Jesse, is that all you want to say?
You're getting great stuff.
I know I am. There's Dad right there. He's combining. He hit the sunset over there. Kind of. And then there's Jesse. all done combining for today. Whole field's done. Variety box is full. That one is about full. Dad brought one home. All I got left to do is put this header on the cart, and we'll take everything home one by one. So, thanks. Close that one. Close that one. Pull out the electrical. Just like that. I don't know if I can just one hand. There it goes. There it goes. Pull this chain off the sprocket here. And one hand is not ideal, but just like that. One more thing on this side. There's Dad. Go on this side of the combine. There's Jesse. Right there. Close that one. Close that one. Just like that. Set that there. Somewhere yet. I don't know. Kind of been hanging them off in here. Okay, now this one. Again, we'll set it in there. One hand is not ideal, but it's working. And one more. There it goes. Just one hand is not really. There it goes. Alright. Pull this guy off here. Just like that. Oh, one more thing. Set that there. This pin's gonna come out. So there's a pin that goes in there. So I just slid it out and up. Now I gotta put this part into here. So now Jesse's operating the combine. I gotta guide her onto this trailer. So let's have her come forward. Now lower it. Okay, go forward. Down, down. Keep going, keep going. Now back up a little bit. That looks good there. This side. Oh, I might just be able to pull that back. Yeah, long day's work, and this whole field is finished. There's a deer down there. You can't really see it. Right where my fingers actually is where it is, but that's kind of cool. But this whole field's done. Now it's left just tillage. And look at that sunrise or sunset back there. That's pretty sweet as well. All right, thanks for watching, and I appreciate it. You guys have a good night, and I will see you in the next video.